Hello students. Today I am going to start your exercise 3C. In this one I have solved question 1 to 4. I think in that if you have any problems you can ask that, and today I am going to start that question number 5 to 10. In this one some questions I will solve, and the question which is same as it is I will leave it, you can do it in your home, okay, by seeing this video properly. Okay, so let us start that exercise 3C, the remaining part of 3C. Hello students. Exercise 3C, question number 5th. In this one find the product of two decimal number. So students, first you multiply this decimal number, you will change it into you can consider as a whole number. Decimal number you have considered as a whole number. So 2.16 is multiplied by 3.6. So I am going to multiply 216 by 37. Okay, so this is your fair work. These question you will do it in your classwork copy, and the remaining question from question number 5th you will do it in your HW copy. Okay students, so first you multiply this one. 7 6 are 42, 2 carry, 2 is there, 4 carry, 7 1 is 7, 4 11, 1 carry, 7 2 are 14, 1 15, and then 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 4, 3 2 is 6 is there. Add this one, 2 9 9 6 1 7. Okay students, this is your simple product of two whole numbers. Okay, but here it is given the decimal numbers, so very easy. 2.16 is multiplied by 3.7. so here students, our aim is to count that the decimal places. In first number there is a 2 decimal places, in the second number there is a 1 decimal place. So in the product, what the product you will get it, in that you will count this 2 and 1, add this one 3. So in your product there is a 3 decimal numbers, there is a 3 decimal places. So your product is 7992. This one is your product, and here is a 2 decimal place and 1 decimal place. Total is a 3 decimal place. So count 3 number from the right to left, 1 2 and 3, and put the decimal point here, 7.992. this one is your answer students. Like that you will do this one also. Question number 8, same thing. First you take this decimal number as a whole number. 728 is multiplied by 37. Okay, 7 8 are 56, 6 5 carry, 7 2 are 14, 9, 7 7 are 49, 1 50, 8 3 are 24, 2 carry, 3 2 are 6 2 8, and 7 3 are 21. Add this one, 6 9 4 13, 8 1 9, 5 1 6, 5 1 6 and 2. Okay, this one is your product of a 2 whole number, but in your question it is given that decimal numbers. So 0.728 is multiplied by 0.37. so your product is 26,936. Listen students, here is a 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places, here is 2. In product you will add this decimal places, 3 plus 2, what you will get it, 5. So you will count 5 number from the right side and put the decimal points, 1 2 3 4 5. So here you will put the decimal point, and before decimal if there is no any integral part, you can put the 0. So 0.26936. This one is your answer for this product. Okay. Now that question number 9th. 0.019 is multiplied by 0.86. So in this case, same as it is, you can do that. Multiply this. Take this decimal number as a whole number. 019 means that only 19. You will multiply with 86. 9 6 are 54. 4 carry. 4 is there. 5 carry. Okay. 6 1 is 6. 5 11. 8 9 is 72. 2 7 carry. 8 1 is 8. 8 7 5. 4 2 1 3. 5 1 6. Okay, so your product is 1634. This one is your product, students. So listen, students, this one is the product of a whole number, but here is given the decimals. So here is not a space, so I'm going to write it here. See this one properly. 0.019 is multiplied by 0.86. 0.19 is multiplied by 0.86. Listen better. Not here. I can arrange this one. 0.728 is multiplied by 0.37 is equal to 0.26936. This one is your answer. For this case, 0.019 is multiplied by 0.86. You will get this one, 1634. Here is a 3 decimal places. In first number 3 decimal, in this one 2. 3 to 5 means that in your product there is a 5 decimal places. But here is a 4 numbers, 1 2 3 4. You can use 1 0 here, and then after you can put the decimal points. And before this decimal, if there is no any integral part, you can write this 0. So 0.0134. This one is your answer for this product. So I think that if you do that other question of question number 5, other part of question number 5, you will do it easily by using concept of decimals. Okay, students, now that after question number 6. Question number 6. Find the product. Here is the 3 numbers. So very easy, students. In this one, first we multiply 2 numbers, and then what the product we get, we multiply with the third term. So 1 by 1, 1.1. So here I'm going to multiply this one, 1.1. So listen, students, what I told you that you can consider as a whole number. So 11 is multiplied by 1. What you will get? 11. And 11 is multiplied by again 1. You will get this one, 11. Okay, without the considering decimal points, you can multiply the whole numbers only. So 11 is multiplied into 1, 1, and again 11 is multiplied into 1. You will get this 11. Means that basically in your product you will get this 11. So here, students, you will write it as a 11. But in this one, if you are considering as a decimal numbers, so how many decimal places is there? There is 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4. There is a 4 decimal places. So in your product, it is also carrying a 4 decimal places. So here is the only 2 numbers, 1, 2. Then after you will write 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after it is your After that you will put the decimal points. 0.0011. This one is your answer for this case. Okay, now this question number third, and the remaining part of question number 6 you will do with yourself. Okay, so in this one, first we multiply these two number. 0.4 is multiplied by 2.5. So take as a 4 is multiplied by 25. 25 4s are 100. Okay, so here the product of 5 and 25 is 100, but the product of this one is 0.4 is multiplied by 2.5 is equal to 100. Here is the 2 decimal places. So in this product also, so what the product you will get? 1, and 1 is multiplied into 76 again. So product of these two number is 1.0 is multiplied by 0.76. So if 1 is going to multiply 7.6, you will get this 76. Okay, student, here is a 0 means if you consider this 0 nothing, you leave this one, no need of this 0, because after points if only zeros are there, you remove this 0. Here is only 1. See, this product is there, and 1 is multiplied into 0.76, means that if you consider as a whole 76 is multiplied into 1, 76. Here is the 2 decimal points, count the 2 numbers and put the decimal points. So your answer is a 0.76. And if you are taking as a 0 here, so you can consider here 2 zeros, and then after 2 and 2 4, count the 4 number and put the decimals, same answer you will get it. So remaining part of question number 6 you will try with yourself and do it in your HW copy. Now the question number 7, students. In this one, find the product of given powers. In this one, your question is given in power. So I want to explain you that, students. If a to the power 2 means that a is multiplied by a, same number is multiplied 2 times. If a to the power 3, same number is multiplied into 3 times. If a to the power 4, same number is multiplied into 4 times. Okay, students, so this thing you always remember that whatever the power on the numbers, you will multiply that number on that time. Means here is a 2 power 2 means a is multiplied into a 2 times. A to the power 3, if power is 3, a is multiplied into 3 times, same number, a into a, and so on. If a to the power n means that a is multiplied into n times. So in this one, question number first, very easy, students. 1.4 to the power 2 means that 1.4 is multiplied by 1.4. Multiply this one. Multiply. This is your fair work. You can do it in your fair copy. 14 is multiplied into 14. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry. 4 1s are 4. 1 5. 1 1. 196. Okay, so here is the 2 decimal places, 1 2, count that there is 2 decimal places, so count 2 number in your product and put the decimal point. So what is your answer? 1.96. This one is your answer. Now the question number third one, 0.07 to the power 2 means that this number is multiplied into 2 times. 0.07 is multiplied into 0.7. So what is the whole number of this one? 7, and this one is a 7. 7 7s are 49. But in this one, how many decimal places is there? 2 and 2. 4 decimal places. So in your product, there is a 4 decimal numbers. So 1 and 2. Then after you will put 2 zeros and then put the decimal points. What is your answer? 0.0049. This one is your answer, students. Now the question number 4, because it is a easy, students, it is a simple multiplication. This is a power 3 means this number is multiplied into 3 times. 0.4 is multiplied into 0.4 into 0.4. means 4 is multiplied into 4, 16, 16 is multiplied into 4, 64. But here is a 1 decimal points, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. There is a 3 decimal places. So count the 3 number and put the decimal. 1, 2, use a 0 and then put the decimal points. So your answer is a 0.064. Okay, now the question number 8. 0.14 to the power 3 means that 0.14 is multiplied into 0.14 is multiplied into 0.14 means that 14 is multiplied into 14 into 14. See this one. First we multiply 14 into 14. 4 4 is 16. 4 1 is 4 5. 4 1 196. Again it is multiplied by 14. 6 4 is 24. 2 carry. 9 4 is 36. 36 to 38. 4 1 is 4. 3 7 6 9 1. If you add this one, okay, you will get this 2740. You will get this 2744. So write this one 2744. But students, this is the product of a whole numbers. Here is a decimal number 0.14, 2 decimal places, 2 to 4 to 6. There is a 6 decimal places. So in this in your product it is also carry a 6 decimal places. So 1 2 3 4, there is a 4 number only. So write 20 after before this and put the decimal points. Then your answer is a 0.00274. And the remaining part of question number 7, you will do it in your HW copy, and these questions you will do it in your classwork copy. And then after I'm going to solve that question number 8, 9 and 10. Okay. The cost of a book is rupees 84.5. Question number 8. Find the cost of 13 such books. Very easy, student. Suppose if a cost of one book is 10 rupees. So what is the cost of 13 book? How you will get it? By multiplication. 10 is going to be multiplied by 13. You will get it 130 rupees. Same as it is. We are going to do this one, question number 8. Solution. The cost of a book. Write this one. The cost of a book is equal to rupees 84.50. So how many books cost is asking? 13 books. So the cost of 13 such books is equal to 84.50 is multiplied by 13. So consider as a whole number. 8450 is multiplied by 13. This is your fair work, students. Do it in your right side of your page. Multiply this one. 0, 5, 15, 4, 12, 13, 3 8s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 1, 25, 0, 5, 4, 8, 0, 5, 8, 9, 2, 11, 10. So that in your product 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, you will get this 1 lakh 9,850. This is the product of a whole number, but here is the 2 decimal points. So count 2 number from the right side and put the decimal points. So your answer is a rupees 1098.50. 1098.50. Then after question number 9, students, 1 meter of a cloth cost rupees 125.50. Hello student, question number 9. 1 meter of cloth cost is 125.50. Find the cost of 4.80 meter of this cloth. So very easy students. Cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to rupees 125.50. So the cost of a 4.80, cost of 4.80 meter such cloth is equal to rupees 125.50 is multiplied by 4.80. Very easy. Multiply these two decimal number as a whole number. Firstly, 12,550 is multiplied by 480. 0 0 0 0 50, and then 0 0 4 0 10 0 0 2 0 4 1 5 0 0 0 4 2 0 6. So this in this case, if you multiply as a whole, you will get this ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. You will get this 60 lakh 24,000 as a whole number. But this one is your decimal numbers. So there is 2 decimal and 4 decimal. Count the phone number and put the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you will put this decimal number. So your answer is 602.400. So your answer is rupees 602.40. You will write up to 2 decimal places. So the cost of 4.80 meter such same cloth is how much cost is that? Rupees 602.40. Okay, now the next one question number 10. Today's last question number 10. A taxi driver charges rupees 12.50 per kilometer. How much will he charge for a journey of 185.4 kilometer? Means that if 1 kilometer cost is suppose 10 rupees. So what is the cost of how much money he will pay for? This is a 1 kilometer. Cost is 10 rupees. If he will go 25 kilometer, so how much money he will pay? 25 is multiplied by 10. Simple multiplication is 250 rupees. So dear student, in this one same as it is, the cost of 1 kilometer. So and in your solution students, a taxi driver charges rupees 12.5 per kilometer. So the charge for 1 kilometer, charge of 1 kilometer journey charge for 1 kilometer journey is equal to rupees 12.50. So the charge for 185.4 kilometer journey is equal to 12.5 is multiplied by 185.4. Simple, you will multiply this number as a whole. 1250 is multiplied by 1854. 0 20 0 5 0 5 10 12 5 1 6 0 5 4 20 4 44 20 100. Then after 0 5 2 1 0 0 5 7 6 11 2 1 3 2. This one is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 23 lakh 17,500. This is the product of these two number. 23 lakh 17,500. This is the money as a whole number if you multiply as a whole. But here is a decimal number, so 2 and 1. There is 2 decimal places, here is a 1 decimal places. There is a 3 decimal places, count 3 number from the right side and put the decimal point. So your answer is a 2317.50. This one is your answer for question number 10. So dear students, by solving this question number 10, your exercise 3C has completed. So remaining part of question number 5, 6 and 7 you can do properly in your homework copy and complete your copy. And next topic is how to divide a decimal number. So this one also you can read from your book. Okay, thank you student.